Hey guys, finally we added the most awaited channel Instagram to Whautomate platform. What this means for businesses is that they can connect their Instagram account to Whautomate platform, set up GPT powered AI chatbot that can actually understand your business and respond to customers' inquiries instantly, like your business employee 24/7 for your business. What this means. What this is going to do, this is going to boost your brand loyalty and customer engagement for your business. Get excited. Yeah, in this video we will look at how to connect your Instagram account and set up our automation and provide customer engagement seamlessly. Let's dive into the demo. Once you log into the platform, you should see under the integration screen, you should see Instagram as a channel. You'll have to click on connect. Before you start with the authorization to authorize your Instagram account, there are a few things that you need to make sure your Instagram account is set up, which is first thing is if your Instagram account is not a professional account, first thing is to switch to a professional account. And when you are doing so, choose the type as business, because that will ask you to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page. But if you have already done that, it's well and good. You don't have to do anything except for one specific thing, which is to allow access to messages. And if in order to do that, you just we put forward the instructions as well. It's pretty straightforward. Once you convert your Instagram account to professional and connect it to a Facebook page, you will have to go into the privacy settings and allow access to messages under message controls as such. And this enables platform like Whautomate to be able to receive messages on behalf of your Instagram account, and also automate the experience by automatically replying or having a human agent experience using our team inbox as well. Yeah. So once you have everything set up, maybe I can even quickly show you. Hey guys, we will look at the settings from an Android point of view. The instructions for Android and iOS are slightly different, but the basic thing is you'll have to find the settings, and under privacy, there will be messages. You'll have to go into the messages, make sure that allow access to messages is turned on. If this is turned on, that means you are providing access to third-party apps to be able to receive messages on your behalf of such. Yeah, so now that we've got this allow access to messages set up, and it is also connected to a Facebook account, Facebook page, for us to go ahead and authorize. Okay, now we've seen everything. Let's go through the authorization process. I'm gonna click on edit previous settings just to show what are all the things that we will have to provide access to. First thing is it'll ask you to select the business, especially if your Instagram account or your Facebook page is actually managed by a business account. You need to provide business access as well for us to be able to retrieve your account. Yeah, and that is the first step. You'll have to click on continue and select the page that you wanna that is connected to your Instagram account that you're looking to connect. Yeah, in this instance, Mystic Makers is the page, and by default it will show the Instagram account that's associated as well to that page. And these are the permissions that we need to be able to receive messages and also send messages on behalf of you. I am going to click on save and click on got it. Once everything is good, we should see a success message saying connected to your Instagram account. One last step that we have to do is click on go to Instagram settings and select the page and click on connect page. Yeah, once you're done, all the setup is actually done. The next thing is if you want to automate the experience through a chatbot, all you have to do is go into the automations tab, and under Instagram, if you don't have any AI chatbot or any rules installed, all you can do is click on add rule and filter out Instagram, and we should have GPT powered chatbot as such. The detailed video on how to set up GPT powered AI chatbot has been done on other channels. I'll provide a link in the description as well for you to look at how to set up the OpenAI settings and OpenAI chatbot that on the other video. Yeah, assuming you have set everything up, which I've done in my instance, I'm gonna quickly show the end user experience as such for you. Now let's go back to my Instagram. Just gonna open. I am gonna switch account because this is the page that I just connected. And what I'm gonna do is go into the DMs, and Mystic Makers is the account that we are looking to automate. Let's just test the experience. Hey there, if everything is connected, you should see a notification, and the conversation should actually appear here. It is doing so, and our automated experience is actually kicking in as well. And maybe I'll ask what are the features by Whautomate, and it should automatically respond with this information. We have provided this information to the AI as such. Yeah, it is actually providing a response with all of the features that are offered by our platform as such. And you can view all of those conversations here as well, and you have options to send media, images, videos, and documents. You can also automate sending those based on your end user actions as well. And you have the option to assign chat to your team members, or you can take over the conversation by quickly responding yourself as well. Quickly responding, and it will assign the conversation to yourself as well. That's it on this video. If you are looking to sign up onto our platform, the link is in the description. Go to whautomate.com and sign up for a free trial. You have 7 days of free trial to try out all the features within our Whautomate platform, including the Instagram, and you can set up the automated GPT powered chatbot and try out the end user experience as well. Thank you.